Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video of 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day during 31 days. I don't know, this is so hard this is so hard for me to say this sentence. I think it's hard because I always switch French, English, French, and then my tongue, she's like, it doesn't want to pronounce the words correctly, and I need an extra energy and extra concentration. Bref, so today to continue this beautiful and nice challenge, I hope you guys are enjoying it, even if I think you will get tired of me. I think a normal person will say, like, after 3 days of seeing Barbara talking about bags and stuff, like, give me a break, I need holidays, I will be back like before Christmas, but let's have a break. But yeah, I understand, I would completely understand. So guys, today we will have some Chanel, some vintage Chanel, the top of the cake of vintage Chanel, which is a bag from late 80s, early 90s. This is the best you can have, like the best you can have, late 80s, early 90s. And I know you saw on the thumbnail, so let me reveal it. I received with this dust bag with, I think it's the original one. It's so, can you see that? Old. I have a lot of things flying in the air. So let me introduce to you to this beautiful mini square flap, mini square. No, it's mini square. In, oh my god, again, the word I cannot pronounce in English. I hope I kept. Yeah, I cannot say it in English. So open your ears.
Satin.
Non, ça c'est en français.
Satin.
Again.
Satin.
No. Why? It's French to English, not German. Again.
Satin. Satin.
Ah, voilà. Enfin.
Satin. Satin. Satin.
Satin. I cannot say this word. So, oops. It's the second bag I'm unboxing with this fabric and I cannot pronounce it. I need to make an effort. So, beautiful square mini from late 80s. Which I love about this bag is that the strap is long enough to wear it crossbody. Thank you, Chanel, at least once. And I didn't know, but it came with the original card, and as you can see, it starts with a 0, so normally this is from late 80s. I have the sticker. We cannot really see it, but yeah, now you can see it. I have the original sticker. The bag inside is quite clean. You have here the Chanel tag, but it's almost readable, so because it's so old. And for a vintage bag, I think this bag is looking amazing, especially because of, you know, the fabric. It's really, really delicate. I took this bag to Monaco a month ago and I wore it almost every single day. The corners of the bag, it's a little bit, tiny bit used, which is normal because she is 30 years old, and sorry, and it's normal, you know, to have some stuff that it's not like brand new. But yeah, this is definitely not a bag I'm going to wear every single day because it's way too delicate. This is, voila, to go out to a dinner and pay attention and try, yeah, to keep it in the best shape ever. Which is great is that it's black, so it's less stressful. I remember I saw one, it was not the square, but it was the rectangular mini. Again, the same fabric, which I don't know how to say, but it was red. And I remember I was like, oh my God, it's beautiful, I want it, na na na. And it was just 1,000. And then I was like, I'm not going to buy it because it's red, it's Satan, and it's too delicate. I know I will, you know, like put a stain on it, and it's gonna be a drama, so I passed. I still think about the bag, but I think I did a right choice. And yeah, this one, I think I can wear it without stressing too much. As you can see, she's 24 karat gold plated, and yeah, she's beautiful. I can't wait to wear it again. I think I will check and see if I cannot find a square mini in leather, because this fits everything I need in a daily basis. So I think this could be a really nice bag for me to have in my collection when I don't want to have like a jumbo or medium. And let's be honest, I don't wear my medium classic flap very often, and the small classic flaps, let's not even talk about this because I think it's not a bag for me, the small one. Okay, I gained a lot of weight, but I think the shape, like the size small, is like, it's not small and it's not medium. It's like in the middle of the road, and it looks awkward on me because I'm not petite, and it looks awkward. And maybe it's in my head, and but I don't know, I just don't feel comfortable. And if you look this one, I'm like, you know, you see it's a small bag and it's a square, and it's like, okay, but the small, it's like ni chaud ni froid, not cold, not hot, in the middle of the road. Like, it's how I can like describe my feeling about it. But yeah, I think I will definitely check for this one in a lambskin. That's because caviar, I will never find it. But yeah, it's a really nice bag, and I think I will do a reveal, like not a reveal but a review. Yeah, a review with what you can fit inside, etc. I just did the video in French, so I can tell you that an iPhone Pro Max fits inside, which we like because it's really helpful. And yeah, you can put more stuff, but definitely, yeah, cat holder, lipstick, keys, phone, blah 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 blah, and the crossbody chain that we love, because I love a crossbody bag. Guys, let me know what you think about this beauty. Let me know if you are liking this month, if you are tired of me. I don't know if it was a good idea to do this, but I am enjoying it a lot. And yeah, now I have my French channel. It's double work. I hope I will be able, to continue posting after the challenge and not like disappear for 10 years. And voila. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels, and yeah, I see you tomorrow. same place, same hour, and to discover another bag or another accessory or another something, but I think it's gonna be a bag. Bisous, bisous. Merci beaucoup voilà, merci pour tout. And I see you in my next video. Bye.